Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a popcorn slime. Just look like this, okay? So the first thing you'll need is glue, and then a yellow food coloring, your baking soda, your contact lens solution, and this to mix it. Okay, you can use anything, spoon or whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, so after that, you mix everything. So first, you need to have your white glue in here in a bowl so you can mix it properly, and then you'll add in your yellow food coloring. You add a few drops, and then use your stick to mix it well. Once that's done mixing, I'm gonna add in my baking soda. Take your measuring spoon, like that, and then give it another mix, okay? So it looks quite bright yellow. Don't worry about it. Later you'll add the styrofoam. So there you go, that's mixed. And then I'll take my contact lens solution. Be generous with it, okay? We need a bit of this because it helps you create the form of a slime. So there you go. It's quite sticky at first, but don't worry. Second one. Can you hear that? It's quite gooey, right? See? So my popcorn's gonna be cheese flavored. Go, and then add in. Don't worry about getting your hands dirty because you'll use your hands later on anyway. So once it's okay and it doesn't feel too wet, then you can add in your styrofoam. So I'm gonna put this aside. This is my styrofoam. So you have to break it apart in smaller pieces, just like this. Don't put too much in because it's gonna dry out your slime. And it won't give you that much crunchier feeling later. So, maybe a little bit more. Okay, let's try about this much. If it's not enough, you can always add in more later. So I'll take my slime with me. Should be okay. So it's not sticking on my fingers anymore. It should look like this. And then you add in this one. Just make sure you incorporate everything in. It should give you that crunchy feeling, and it should make a popping sound as well, just like a popcorn. So it looks like this. You see that? And then your popcorn container, you can buy it anywhere. Here's one. And then you can just form it and then just put it on the top.